welcome or welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things planning, journaling and stationaries. Today we have a bit of a vibrant, colorful setup, and this is part of my Bungu-mas journey. Bungu-mas is my way of Vlogmas, so in the month of December I'm doing a consecutive daily video, mini video I would say, and talking about 25 items that I really enjoyed in 2024. So this is like a fun way for me to capture what I enjoyed, and also I hope the video inspires you if you are looking for some nice inspiration, something that you want to look for purchasing in 2025. So today's video is a bit of a specific one. I want to talk about pencil board. So as a Japanese, I did grow up with pencil board. It was like basic items that we need to purchase in like elementary schools, together with notebooks, like pencil, eraser, pencil board. It was there all the time. And then I think around high school timing, when we started using, like when we no longer used pencil but like switched to gel pens and nicer pens or ballpoint pen, I dropped it. And I actually never thought I liked pencil boards, but I realized I have many and I'm actually using it in an almost daily basis. So I got reminded about the pencil board when I purchased this. So this is 2024 Hobonichi HON, and if you are a Hobonichi fan, you might know already, but this Hobonichi HON series, not the classic traditional one, but this hardcover HON, the one that you can use without the Hobonichi cover, comes with the pencil board. So this is how it looks like. Maybe it's visible like this. So it's got some 1 centimeter grid, and this is supposed to be a pen holder. I think you are supposed to put the clip of the pen, not the pen itself, because the loop is quite tiny. So this came with this, and that was, I was surprised. Okay, nice to have, but I don't really use it, so I wasn't sure like how I'm going to use it. But what I've been using it throughout the year is I use this as a bookmark. Yes, they do have this ribbon thing. How do you call this? The page marker. But I don't really use this to open the exact page. So even now, as I am opening this, it's just bringing me to October. So it means I have not been updating this since October. And basically I use this when I am done with the writing, and then I put it like this, and the next day I just open like this. So this has been like really a bookmarker for me. And because I do write with either ballpoint pen or fountain pen, I don't quite like the feel of this very plastic pencil board. So when I put this under my pages, it becomes much harder to write compared to just a paper. So in terms of fountain pen, gel pen, it's actually nicer to write without the pencil board, the one that comes with the HON. So that is why I am not using this as like a pencil board, but this is actually quite nice as a bookmark. And also one of the things I noticed is towards like midway through this Hobonichi life, I did start sticking in few ephemeras here and there. This is interestingly, the packaging came with the pencil board. But because I do stick a few things, like some of those stickers are okay, but when I put some quite a thick item, like shop cards from like a nice coffee shop, it does bulk up the pages, and with the very thin paper, this side is quite challenging to write. And then also for a few days, there's this like bump that comes here. In that case, I quite enjoyed having this, like a traditional way of using pencil board to kind of reduce down the page gap coming from sticking things in. So yeah, interestingly, I never thought I would like this as an adult, but yes, using it as a page mark plus using it when I have some big chunky something stuck on it, I've been using it very, yeah, this is also quite thick paper. So I think I had it for a few days when I'm writing on the left hand side. And also this, the one that comes with HON is not so much of my preference, but if you're looking for purchasing one, I highly recommend this Hobonichi pencil board. This one, I don't know when I got it. This is so old, maybe 8-year-old, 7-year-old actually. The Cousin itself, this is 2017, and it already had this, so definitely more than 20, like before pre-2017. So yeah, I have had it for forever. Now this I noticed this today flag, the one that shows up, is a bit how do you say, bended by accident, so it doesn't look a bit old, but it still works. And the quality of this Hobonichi official pencil boards, the one that you actually buy, is so good compared to this plastic one that I get. Well, this is also plastic, but you can just by touching it you can see the difference. So this is very plasticky, it's just a plastic, but this one has like a softness to it. So even if you are using fountain pen or ballpoint pen, it doesn't let the pen to like slip on the slippery plastic surface. It actually catches nicely. So if you are thinking of buying it, I highly recommend this one, the one that Hobonichi holds. So it comes in this A5 size, A6 size, I don't have it myself, and then it also comes in this weeks size. So I have used Weeks for very long time, Weeks Mega for very long time, but as I was purchasing this in September, because I noticed my love for pencil board, I actually bought this very recently. It's already got some inks actually, I need to clean it. But this is it's not like super expensive item, so if you are thinking about getting, I highly recommend. You will definitely not regret. So especially for this Hobonichi Weeks, the one that I use for archiving, I put a lot of pictures, shop cards and everything. Each page becomes quite challenging to write, especially just after a big ephemera. So this has been serving me as a nice bookmark plus actual pencil board situation to ease my writing. And I really like it. And as I was looking through, okay, where are my pencil board, I actually also noticed this one, so let me just share with you. I even have a pencil board for travelers. So yes, I think I really like it. So again, this is from 2014, so you can see some of the items are very old in my household, but it means I like it so much, so I keep them forever. So this is also for a traveler's notebook, and again, I don't really use this as a writing, but normally it sits where I should come back and write in. And also, especially for traveler's notebook where I have this bands thing, when the board sticks a bit out of this actual notebook, I feel like it protects from getting the notebook damaged by the elastic, because it kind of stands out. I don't know if it's visible from there, but so yeah, it's the pencil board series, the collection that I have. So yeah, I normally use it as a page mark, but there are small additional nice to have items that I discovered in 2024. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next video.